We know we do not have anywhere to turn. And when you saying that, these type of atrocity, this tyranny is being, forced upon us, and not to have anywhere to turn, here in our country, where our government is beating up on us. Our government is using the system, weaponizing the system against us. And we don't have nowhere to turn. And the worst thing you can do is not really understand, not really get it, on how the criminal corruption in the justice system have been proven ineffective. What does that look like? So it's been very difficult for us to really get people to understand that the worst thing you can do is not know what it looked like, and then you started going to the fox that's guarding the hen house, file this, file that, go all the way up to the Supreme Court, and come back down and go back again, and keep on doing all that. Get a good lawyer, get Johnny Cochran in here, get Perry Mason up in here. We can beat this thing. We gonna raise the money. We gonna march, and we gonna take the streets, and we gonna make a lot of noise. But you can do all of those things. When the fix is in, the fix is in. And the worst thing you can do is keep on going looking for help in all the wrong places. That's the reason why AUI is on the scene, because we're not going to chase the rabbit. We're not going to keep on running around in circles, going to the fox that's guarding the hen house, okay, and then expecting for them to fix what they deliberately intended to be wrong. So what happens to us, of anybody that tried to approach that that rigged up system, that conspiracy that they got going on in the system, when your insurance company, okay, is in cahoots with the judge, and all of a sudden your lawyer did not disclose to you that he was the lawyer for the insurance company, okay? So all of that is when we're at loss. We got to change the terms of the government, because we don't stand a chance.
Exactly. And we want to hopefully make crystal clear at this program, because we are dealing, our guests are some of the most effective community organizers and mobilizers in the country. So what we need, what we want to get clear is the line between, yes, we got to get out here and organize, we got to mobilize, but we got to understand due process doesn't mean we do that for 10, 20, 30 years. That's not due process.
Right.
When we organize and we mobilize and we file lawsuits and we protest, that's about creating public awareness. That's about pulling people together to so that people can come in and say, yes, this happened to me and I don't want this to happen. It's about expressing public priority. But it is not supposed to take all of that just to get a fair and impartial administration of justice. It is not supposed to take decades of that just to sometime back off blatant corruption.